Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to unfollow on Sweatcoin app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to unfollow someone on Sweatcoin app, you need to simply tap open the app itself, and once you open it, you will end up in this interface. So simply tap on the two persons icon, and once you have done this, tap on the friends section. So once you are in the friends section, you need to select the person you want to unfollow, and after this is done, you need to tap on the unfollow button directly. So once you do this, you can see the sign of follow on their profile, which means that to follow them you need to again press on the follow button, and once you tap the button again, they will be unfollowed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.